Hi, my name is Mindy Jo, and I am here to introduce you to a one-of-a-kind innovative toddler shoe. As a mother, I understand the importance of practicality. That's why I choose Milestones. Milestones designs shoes and boots for toddlers ages 1 to 3. Not only are they stylish and sensible, they make putting that toddler foot into a shoe so much easier. You simply untie, unzip, and slide the foot right in. You can see that once you unzip the shoe, how easily the foot will slide into it. Not only that, but there's a protective layer around the front to keep those little toes safe. Once the foot's in, just simply re-zip, retie, and go. It's that simple. But don't take my word for it. Let's go see what the other mothers have to say.
Wow, I love them so much. I mean, this is something my 10-year-old and that I wish was around when he was born, but now I have a 1.5-year-old, so I'm definitely gonna get a pair of these shoes because the kids just run them down so much, and these are so soft, but the bottoms, they're really strong, and I just feel like they're gonna be durable and they're gonna last. I haven't seen a kid's shoe or a baby shoe with a zipper, I don't think ever, and I love the fact that you just open it up and you're like, get in there, because it takes forever to get the kids' shoes on, and so especially at that age, a baby, so you gotta make it, you know, when you're making a product, you gotta make it for a baby, and these are for a baby and they're for kids, and I love it.
Yes, I have 2 children. One is 16, so he won't fit those shoes, but that would have worked for him when he was younger. I do have a daughter who is, 9 months now. She's got about a size 3-ish kid shoe. I do love the zipper idea because she does curl her little toes up, and then you're like all bunched up, and it's uncomfortable for the kids, so that's a fabulous idea. And then also the little protection lining in there for the toes so you're not zipping up the toes. And by the weight of the shoes, they feel really light, and some of these kids' shoes are really heavy. So they need lightweight, especially when they're little and growing, because they're starting to learn how to walk and maneuver, so it'll just be easier for them.
You know, these shoes are awesome, but they're about 15 years too late for my baby. They're really cute. They have outstanding soles, and the zipper pocket helps you get their little toes through without cramping them up in the middle. And they're so cute.
So there you have it, a Milestone shoes. As parents, we all know that parenthood brings many challenges. And if we can eliminate just one of those challenges, then well worth it. Milestone shoes, the one-of-a-kind, innovative shoe, making life a whole lot easier.